Road safety 101.
There's something amazing about how young children's minds are, the way they see the world and see us when we come into the space. They don't lie. They don't lie.
They do give you everything, and you leave going, yeah, these kids have actually taken something.
I feel like I've actually really
impacted,
inspired.
potentially saved a life. I don't want to pick myself up
No, but
that
it's
much,
not,
but they
No,
go
I'm
away.
sure-
They're
I'm sure
like,
they
what have
take
you done? They're like, what have you done? I won't go on my phone. I'll look left and right and all around. I'll cross in the right places. It's like, great.
You know, it's really amazing how like comedy can be used as almost like the perfect Trojan horse to get messages through, especially for the young. The way the kids see theatre isn't like how adults or young people see theatre. To them, this is reality. This is real. To the point where they'll come up to me at the end of the show and be like, "Is he really your dad? Is he?
How old are you?
Are you
Is he actually 11?
Is he actually 11?" We don't try to like sugarcoat it in any way. We don't pretend it's not something very dangerous and something very scary, and also something that parents think about a lot. The idea that my child is going to be going out onto the roads on their own, and I want to make sure that they're safe.
Dad, you're following me. I'm not following you. Dad, you said you trusted me.
I do trust
Dad,
you.
you said you let me walk to school on my own.
I do